Okay, rather than putting up snares and waiting for bunnies to commit suicide, one thing that you can do is bunnies always have more than one escape from their warrens because they're sneaky little furry buggers. So what you can do, get your backpack, burden, whatever, get a bit of rope, twine cord, and secure it over the entrance to the bunny home. Okay? Once you've done that, you look for the other holes that go into the warren. You put some brash in them, burnables, twigs, or whatever. You want something like dried grass is the best thing, something that's going to burn and smoke quickly. You plug up all the other holes you can find, and then you set fire to them. This does not cook the bunny rabbits, no, but it does make them leg it out of the one hole that does not have smoke coming in. I've done this before, and you will end up with a backpack filled with squiggly little bunny rabbits. I didn't kill them. No. I took my 2-year-old and I plonked her in the backpack, and she never knew that so many teddy bears could squeak so loud. Yeah, she smiled for a week on that.